Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. I hope you are all having a lovely and blessed day. Today we are going to be unbagging Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription and you get 5 samples delivered to you every month, and a lot of the time they send full-size products as well. I really enjoy Ipsy, it's super fun. This is what the package looks like. They send it in this cute hot pink mailer. What girl doesn't want to see that in her mailbox? So we are going to jump right in. I have not opened this yet. We're gonna pull out what's inside. So sometimes what I see is going on in here, they send like bigger items inside the mailer and not inside the bag because it can't fit. So I have a couple items that are outside of the bag. I'm just gonna grab those out first with my bag. So here we go. This is super cute. So we'll get to that in a second. This is exciting. I love face masks. And the awesome thing about Ipsy is they usually send 2 face masks and not just 1. It doesn't count as 2, so that's super cool. I love like any type of mask. Paper masks like these, wash off masks, the ones that peel off, those are super fun. Love those. That's always satisfying to peel off a mask. We will talk about these in a second. I'm going to show you the bag first. So this is super, super cute. Cute yellow color, coral on the back that says Ipsy, as you can see right there. And then this side of it. That is super fun for summertime, going into summer. In Texas, it is already feeling like summer, so this makes sense to me. This has like cute little passport stamps on it, just adorable. So we will just talk about these masks really fast because this is my first product. And these are Fresh Garden. We got a acai berry calming mask and a Fresh Garden pomegranate firming mask. And this is what they look like. They have really cute packaging. And then this is the firming mask right here. I am a mask-aholic. So we're gonna pull out the card because every time it comes with a little card that has a theme. This theme is Go There, and this is for May 2018, and it is all about traveling with your friends and self-expression. So that is what that looks like, just a little card. This has nothing to do with anything in the bag, it's just like the theme for the month. We are just gonna pull out our second item. I'm gonna grab out the one thing I do know that's in this bag because I accidentally saw it, which is sad. I wasn't trying to see it, but I saw it. So I'm gonna pick that out first. And it is this SLMISSGLAM, and it is a makeup sponge. I love putting on my foundation like this. You do need to feel it, because sometimes they're really firm and they just don't work. This one feels really good though, like really smushy, really soft, like it is gonna put on foundation and concealer really, really well. Cute little pink sponge. So that is our second product. Let's reach right in and get another one. So let's see here. We got Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Taupe Tom. It looks like Sugar is the brand. So let's open this up. And let's see if it's the right color as well. I have pretty dark eyebrows. Yeah, that's like really sharp and really hard to actually get product. But this is like the tip right here. And it's like a triangle-y tip. You can see that. I think it's a little on the grayish side for me. But we will see. I'll try it out. And if I don't like it, I will pass it along to a friend or to one of my sisters because they don't have as dark of eyebrows as me. Let's pick out the next item. So this one is from Tarte, which is one of my favorite brands. This is called Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I have had this before, but I never used it enough to know if I liked it. So this is what it looks like up close. Really cute packaging. And then that's what it looks like on the back. It's just like a very white fine powder from what I remember. Let me open this up. I'm just going to put a little bit of this out. Feel it on the back of my hand. Very smooth, velvety. So yeah, that's exciting to get because I love Tarte, and anything Tarte is pretty awesome. So the next product here, I'm gonna take out the last one, and this is Adesse New York Organic Infused Nail Lacquer, and this is their Gel Effect Nail Polish. Ooh, it's a pretty pink color. It's a nice spring color. Looks like that. What is the color of this? Bellini. Yeah, I think I'm saying that right. Bellini. So yeah, that is everything in my Ipsy bag this month. I think, let's see, let's grab everything out here. So we got the bag, which comes every month. You get a different little bag. I give them to my daughters a lot of times because they just have fun, like unzipping them and zipping them up and putting little toys inside. So this month, I'll probably give them my bag as well. Yeah, that is everything in my Ipsy for May 2018. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you get Ipsy and how you liked this month's bag, what you received, if you got the same things as me or different. So I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.